Spin to spintax format. Sentence exchange means shuffle the sentence. Exchange sentence only within paragraphs. Exchange the sentence by the percentage. Exchange the sentence by the keywords. Use favorite thesaurus. Choose category. The default setting uses the cloud thesaurus. Rotate A, B and C is same meaning as spin A, B and C, and super spin means shuffle the sentences and paragraphs. Auto-replace words or phrases, or replace to most readable and unique. Whether spin the words in the brackets. Select those settings if needed. Auto-spin frequency. 1 means spin all the words. 2 means spin half of the words. And so on. Spin it. The spintax format in red. You can clear this format. Next step, I generate new articles based on the spun articles. Here you can choose spin the content has not spun. Select thesaurus quality. Show the changed words as red. Put the tags do not need to spin, separated by comma. Mix paragraph. Choose sentences that needed to be mixed to a paragraph. You can change the sentence number. I want to generate 5 articles. The changed words in red. Save the current article or all articles.